Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to a Friday edition of Awesomecallstrading.com live webinar recap. We'll take about 5 to 7 minutes of your busy schedule and kind of go over the trades we did today in our fucking amazing chat room that we call Awesome Calls Trading. I am AJ. I'm one of the moderators. I call me the head moderator, the coach, whatever you want to call me. Uh, I'm your guy. But we have 10 of the most amazing day traders in the world that are in here. From I can kind of just give you rough names. The Great Dark Side, Janny, Raphael, Fire, Adam News, Dave the Trader, B Trades, Dark Side, Palmer, JT, and James. Those are IPO crews. We have a blast here every day. A lot of different types of trading, from Janny to Raphael to Fire Trader. I have a different style myself. I don't use a lot of technical analysis, more fundamental, and why a stock's going to move the way it's going to move. Um, and about a 97% accuracy, probably 95 to 97 right now. I'm working my ass off every day to one day be 100% accurate on every day I come in. But that takes time. Rome wasn't built in a day, and I've been trading 16 years, so I'm still learning something every day, and that's what makes day trading so fun and inspiring to do. And I always want to be right, but sometimes I make a mistake. But at least the one thing about our room, if I have 12 ideas, 10 to 11 are going to work. If the one doesn't work, we can flip to the others and make the others work. So today was a phenomenal day for short sellers and for longs. I had a mixture of both. We had some more airstrike issues that went on. And so the first two stocks I went after to short were CEI and Yuma. I'll show you these two. Uh, these are oil related stocks. They were both gapping up considerably. Thank you, Barney. And both of these needed to come down. I had CEI to short at 280 all the way down. I called 180 to 190. As you can see right now, it is 185 dead center. The next one I did was Yuma. I called a short around 540 to 550. I called the short to go to $4 and under. You don't believe me? Right here, number 1 and 2 picks, 4 and under, and 180 to 190. And that's because, again, I've been trading for 16 years and you haven't. And I understand this market better than anyone in the world. And this is the kind of plays that kind of show you what we can do. If you're a short seller in here, small cap, you want to run 10,000 shares, 30,000 buying power, and slam that thing down, you make 11 grand a day on that trade alone. I mean, that was just, at Yuma, you would have made 5,000 shares, a point and a half, $6,500 for the day. The next stock that we had was LNDC. This was an earnings miss. However, after reading the report, I determined the stock would pop at the open and then sell off into the call. And so I wanted traders to go long the open on LNDC. You can see the gap down. I'm calling long in pre-market right here. And I said, watch the pop it open to 1050 or more, then scale in short and short the stock. And you can see the stock came down off of 1090 all the way down to $9.70. I didn't want lower, but the conference call came. He said the right thing, didn't sell off too much, and it's just dragging out now. Stock prices between $9.70 and $10 a share. The next great trades we did today, without a doubt, were TDD. And our Tesla was a huge win in the chat room today. I was really proud of this call today. It was gapping down considerably, and normally we would just get a gap fill on a pop at the open and short cover. But this morning, Tesla announced incredible delivery of their automobiles, up 50% higher, and it was gone. I just told traders, just long the stock. I mean, watch the breakout. Look for 442, 445, I think I said. And the stock ended up way past that to 454. It was a great trade. A lot of people made a real trader made $6,700, $1,800. I saw traders making $2,000. They're buying options on this, bunch of call buying. I mean, it was just phenomenal read on the stock. TDD was just as fun. TDD, I had to pull this down to 262 per my notes. I literally missed this thing by 27 cents, and it's pulled to 262.27 and ripped right back to 273 for a nice run. The other one that we did today was Lockheed Martin, which is a stock we don't normally trade too often, but because of the airstrikes, I felt that it would be a great play for us alongside Roku. And Lockheed Martin was gapping up, as you can see, in pre-market from 309 to 409. I called for a short to 402 at the open at pre-market. I said, watch the stock pull to 402, bottom curl, and slam the stock back up to 410 plus. And the stock did exactly what we said. The only thing is we missed it by $1. There's 402, and it hit 403 and just ripped the shit all the way to 414. Great fucking trade. Great trade. Another one we did today was Roku. Again, Roku was gapping down 5. I felt that was a little too much. Felt we'd have a nice recovery. I called for a 134 long at the open. Said the stock would hit 137. The stock ended up going to 138.89. And again, it's just understanding the market, understanding how to read the market, understanding um, how to react on it. The market wasn't down 400 points. It was down 200. Small little correction. I mean, typically, other times the market would be down 600 as you open, but it wasn't. There was not a lot of fear in the market. So I felt very strongly the stocks would rebound right back up to where they were before. I want to show you a really precise call before I go. NVIDIA. I mean, talk about precision trading. Again, I'm about fundamentals and reasons behind technical traders like the great dark side, Janny, Fire, that probably line up the same numbers I have from a technical analysis. But for me, I just look at the stock and kind of just read it and tell you where it's going to go. I want you to look at the read on the video today, and I want you to look at the topping I called for it at the open. I wanted the traders to go long in pre-market and at the open and on any pullback. As you can see, pre-market was sitting at 235. Any pullback to 234, I just wanted you to add. But I want you to look at the topping of the stock, how I called it. And it was for quick money, fast money, accuracy like there's no tomorrow. I called for 237.50 to 238 would be the top of the trade today. And the stock hit $237.50 right there. I mean, it didn't even get to the 238 level. The max it got was 237, I think 87. I mean, this is just what you get in here. So if you would have bought long 200 shares, you would have got at least 2 points, $400, and been done for the day. Simple trade, simple execution, done in 90 seconds. You go back to bed. And this is what I will deliver for you every single day. But after I deliver it, then I want to teach it to you. And I want it to be instilled in you so you can find it, look for it, and execute it yourself. And I want every trader to be self-sufficient and learn this craft because that's what it is. That's what we are. We're learning a craft every day, trading together. So, okay. And that was today's plays. I mean, we had many more. I had Incy, Sina, Salva was from the great Adam who killed it today. Carr was gapping down and everything else. So we nailed it today. It was a really fun day. So with that being said, if you want to join us, just click on any icon with the Awesome Calls Trading. Click it, and boom, you're in. Just sign up, 25 a day, 100 for a week. And if you update grade to a monthly, we send you back your money, and it's $197 a month. Well worth the $6 a day. I'll tell you, if I can't make you $6 a day in here, there's something wrong with me. Then I'm not worthy of you as a client. But anyway, it was a fun day to trade today. It was exciting, and that is our Friday ending the week. And next week we start fresh again, and but not a too bad few days of trading last couple of days. So thank you for joining us. All right, I'll see you all.